Epic Games account is already linked to another device or any other error. How you can fix if you're facing this error on your profile? As you can see, this is my official Epic Games profile, but I'm facing the error. This account is already linked with another phone number or another account. How you can fix it? Firstly, check your network connection and remove all the tabs from your Google Chrome. If you're playing it on the web, you can remove all the tab. If this is the application, you can clear it from your recents. After that, you can see there is no internet on my connection. That's why you face this type of error whenever your connection is down. You should restart your PC also whenever you face any type of error on your PC. First step is to restart and refresh your PC. Then lastly, run the run command here, and then it will refresh all of your background application, website, and the web pages also. After doing this, you should try that you won't face any type of error like this on your PC, and you can browse smoothly and use Epic Games. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. And if you're facing one error, you should change your email and your mobile number too. Thank you so much for watching this video.